If you're tired of watching your online store linger on the second or even third page of Google, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into actionable SEO tips that'll help you dominate the search engine results pages. Follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to make your store rank higher on Google and attract the right audience consistently. What is SEO and why does it matter? Search engine optimization, known as SEO, is the process of tailoring your website to rank higher on search engines like Google. The ultimate goal of SEO is to attract organic traffic. That is, visitors who find your site through unpaid search results. Why is SEO crucial for e-commerce? Free, high-intent traffic. Unlike social media users who stumble upon ads, search engine users are actively looking for products and solutions. This makes them more likely to convert into paying customers. Builds trust and credibility. Studies show that consumers trust organic search results over paid advertisements. Ranking high on Google gives your brand an air of authority. Sustainable growth. Unlike paid advertising, which stops generating traffic as soon as your budget runs out, SEO provides long-term benefits. Once you've ranked well, you can enjoy steady traffic for months or even years to come. Even small improvements in your SEO strategy can have a significant impact. So whether you're starting from scratch or refining your approach, these tips will help guide you. Tip number 1, conduct keyword research. Think of keywords as the bridge between what users are searching for and the content on your website. Keywords help Google understand your site and match it with the right search queries. How to find keywords. Use Google autocomplete. Start typing a term related to your products and let Google suggest popular searches. For example, typing best pen for might reveal phrases like best pen for journaling or best pen for students. Explore related searches. At the bottom of any Google search results page, you'll find related searches. These are gold mines for discovering additional keyword ideas. Leverage keyword research tools. Google Keyword Planner, ideal for identifying search volume and competition. SEMrush provides detailed insights into what your competitors are ranking for. Ahrefs helps uncover keyword difficulty and potential backlink opportunities. Target long-tail keywords. So long-tail keywords consist of typically 4 or more words and typically have lower competition. Examples include affordable leather journals for students or best gifts for writers under $50. These keywords cater to specific queries and attract users with strong purchase intent, giving you a competitive edge. Tip 2, plan your site architecture. A well-organized website is not only user-friendly, but also search engine friendly. When Google crawls your site, it assesses how your pages are connected and whether your content is easy to navigate. Best practices for site architecture. Simple navigation. Ensure all pages are accessible within 2 to 3 clicks from the home page. For example, home to category page to product page. Next, group similar products. So use logical categories and subcategories. And under pens, you'd have luxury fountain pens. Avoid duplicate content. So duplicate pages can confuse search engines and hurt your rankings. Write unique descriptions for each product and category. Optimize internal links. Link from one product page to another relevant page. This not only helps visitors discover more of your offerings, but it also distributes SEO value across your site. By creating a clear structure, you improve user experience and make it easier for search engines to index your content. Tip 3, optimize product and category pages. Your product and category pages are the cornerstone of your e-commerce store. When optimized properly, they can convert casual visitors into loyal customers. Key optimization techniques: title, tags, and meta descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your title, tags, and meta descriptions to increase click-through rates. For example, your title might be best journaling pens, smooth writing, free shipping. And the meta description is discover the best pens for journaling. Enjoy smooth writing and fast, free shipping on all orders. Product descriptions. Write detailed, engaging descriptions that highlight the product's features, benefits, and unique selling points. Avoid copying manufacturer descriptions. Images. Optimize images by naming files descriptively. For example, floral-journal-pen.jpg. Compress them for faster load times. Adding alt text to describe the image, which helps the SEO and accessibility. User reviews. Showcase customer reviews directly on product pages. Reviews improve trust and provide additional context that search engines can index. Don't underestimate the power of a well-optimized product page. It's where most buying decisions happen. Tip 4, create high-value blog content. So blogs are not just for sharing news. They're an incredibly effective SEO tool for e-commerce stores. Blog content helps helps you rank for informational queries that your customers are searching for. Why blogging is crucial. Attracts new visitors. Blog posts answer questions and solve problems, bringing new potential customers to your site. Builds authority. Consistent, high-quality content positions you as an expert in your niche. Encourages backlinks. Informative posts are more likely to be linked to by other sites, boosting your SEO. Blog topic ideas. Tutorials. How to choose the right pen for journaling. Seasonal guides. Top 10 stationery gifts for Christmas. Problem-solving articles. How to organize your desk for maximum productivity. Post regularly and integrate relevant keywords naturally. Consistency is key to building an audience and improving your search rankings. Tip 5, build backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites to yours, and they signal to Google that your site is trustworthy and valuable. High-quality backlinks can dramatically improve your rankings. How to earn backlinks. Create link-worthy content. Infographics, how-to guides, and data-driven articles are highly shareable. Collaborate with influencers. Offer your products to influencers in exchange for honest reviews and backlinks. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for industry blogs and include a link to your site in the author bio or content. Remember, quality matters more than quantity. A single backlink from an authoritative site can be more valuable than dozens of low-quality links. Tip 6, optimize for user experience. Google pays close attention to how users interact with your site. If visitors find your site easy to use, they're more likely to stay longer, reducing bounce rates and boosting rankings. Key user experience improvements. Mobile optimization. Over 60% of web traffic comes from mobile devices these days, so ensure that your site is responsive and looks great on smaller screens. Fast load times. Compress images, use caching, and remove unnecessary scripts to improve page speed. Clear calls to action. Use buttons like add to cart or shop now to guide visitors toward their next action. Happy users mean happy search engines. Tip number 7, implement local SEO if applicable. If you have a physical store or serve specific regions, then local SEO can be a game changer. Tips to improve local SEO. Claim your Google business profile. Add your business name, address, phone number, and operating hours. Encourage reviews. Positive Google reviews not only improve rankings, but also build trust. Use local keywords. Include phrases like best stationery shop in New York in your site content. Local SEO ensures that nearby customers can find your business easily. Tip number 8, monitor and improve with analytics. So SEO is not a set it and forget it strategy. You need to track performance and adapt over time. Essential tools. Google Analytics. Understand user behavior, traffic sources, and top performing pages. Google Search Console. Identify issues like broken links or low performing keywords. SEO platforms. Tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush provide insights into backlinks, rankings, and more. What to look for. Which pages drive the most traffic? Which keywords are performing well or underperforming? Are there technical issues like slow page speeds or broken links? Use this data to refine your strategy and stay ahead of your competition. Tip 9, leverage social media for traffic. While social media signals aren't a direct ranking factor, sharing your content on platforms like Twitter or X, Instagram, and Pinterest can drive traffic, which indirectly benefits SEO. Steps for social media integration. Post consistently and include links to your store. Engage with your audience to build a loyal following. Use social platforms to share blog posts, product launches, and seasonal promotions. Harnessing the power of SEMrush and SurferSEO. So if you're serious about improving your store's SEO, tools like SEMrush and SurferSEO are indispensable. These platforms take the guesswork out of optimizing your site by providing actionable data, insights, and recommendations tailored to your niche. SEMrush, your all-in-one SEO companion. SEMrush is a powerhouse tool that offers a range of features to help you dominate the search engine results pages. They have keyword research, so you can discover high-performing keywords, analyze search volume, and uncover keyword gaps that your competitors are missing. Competitor analysis. See what's driving traffic to your competitors and identify opportunities to outperform them. Backlink insights. Monitor your backlink profile and uncover opportunities to build high-quality links from authoritative sites. Site audit. SEMrush identifies technical SEO issues such as broken links or slow loading pages and provides step-by-step instructions on how to fix them. With SEMrush, you gain a comprehensive view of your website's SEO health and roadmap to take it to the next level. Now, if you want to get started with SEMrush, we have a link down below in the description. If you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page right here. We can get a 14-day pro exclusive free trial. So be sure to click the link down below in the description to get started with SEMrush. Next, we have SurferSEO. Optimize your content like a pro. SurferSEO specializes in content optimization, making it perfect for refining your blog posts, product descriptions, and landing pages. They have a content editor, so you can get real-time recommendations recommendations for word count, keyword usage, and semantic terms to include ensuring that your content is aligned with top ranking pages. They have the SERP analyzer, so you can analyze the structure and performance of top ranking pages for your target keywords to understand what Google values most. They have the Keyword Surfer extension. So this free browser plugin gives you instant insights into search volume, competition, and related keywords as you browse. SurferSEO's tools help you create content that isn't just engaging for users, but also ticks all the boxes for search engine algorithms. If you want to get started with SurferSEO, we'll have a link for them down below in the description. Why these tools work well together. So combining SEMrush's strategic data with SurferSEO's content optimization insights creates a seamless workflow. You can use SEMrush to identify high impact keywords and analyze competitors. Bring those keywords into SurferSEO's content editor to fine tune your content for maximum ranking potential. Monitor your progress with SEMrush's performance tracking and adjust your strategy as needed. So whether you're building a comprehensive content strategy or fine tuning specific pages, these tools are your go-to solutions for measurable SEO success. So if you want to get started with any of the products that we talked about today, you'll find links for them down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel, allowing us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. Final thoughts. SEO may seem daunting, but it's all about taking consistent, intentional actions. From keyword research to creating valuable content, optimizing your store can significantly increase your visibility, as well as your sales. So which of these tips will you try first? Let us know down in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more e-commerce insights. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.